We are on the cusp of a new era in artificial intelligence. Beyond the chatbots and recommendation engines, a more sophisticated form of AI is emerging, Agentic AI. These are not just programs that respond to commands, they are intelligent entities capable of setting their own goals, making independent decisions, and acting autonomously in the world around them. Agentic AI documentary The Rise of the Autonomous Mind. Segment 1. What is Agentic AI? The intelligent actor. What exactly does it mean for AI to be agentic? We delve into the core principles behind this transformative technology, exploring how AI systems are moving beyond passive tools to become active problem solvers. Agentic AI is about imbuing AI with a sense of agency. It's the ability to perceive an environment, set goals, plan actions, and execute those actions to achieve those goals, all with a degree of independence. This is a significant shift. We're moving from AI that assists us to AI that can operate without constant human direction. This brings immense potential, but also profound questions. From optimizing complex logistics to managing intricate systems, early forms of agentic AI are already demonstrating their capabilities in controlled environments. Segment 2. The building blocks: how agentic AI works. How do these autonomous agents function? We break down the key technologies that power agentic AI, from advanced natural language processing that allows them to understand goals, to sophisticated planning algorithms that enable them to strategize and execute complex tasks. Large language models provide the reasoning and understanding. Planning modules allow the AI to break down goals into actionable steps, and the ability to integrate with other tools and APIs gives them the means to act in the real world. The ability to learn from experience, adapt to changing circumstances, and leverage external resources is what gives agentic AI its power and flexibility. Segment 3. The promise and the potential transforming industries. The implications of truly autonomous AI agents are far-reaching. We explore the transformative potential across various industries, from revolutionizing healthcare with AI-powered diagnostics and personalized treatments to optimizing global supply chains and accelerating scientific discovery. Imagine AI agents that can monitor patients in real time, predict health crises, and even assist surgeons with complex procedures, all with a level of autonomy and precision we've never seen before. Agentic AI could manage investment portfolios with unparalleled efficiency, detect fraudulent activities proactively, and personalize financial advice on an individual level. Segment 4. The challenges and the concerns navigating the risks. Interviews with ethicists, policymakers, and security experts, highlighting potential downsides. However, the rise of agentic AI is not without its challenges. We delve into the crucial ethical, societal, and security concerns that must be addressed as these powerful technologies become more prevalent. Issues of bias, accountability, and control become even more critical when AI is acting autonomously. We need robust safeguards to ensure these systems align with human values. The potential for misuse or unintended consequences is significant. Ensuring the security and preventing malicious actors from controlling these agents is paramount. Discuss potential risks like job displacement, algorithmic bias leading to unfair outcomes, and the challenge of maintaining control over highly intelligent autonomous systems. Segment 5. The path forward towards responsible agentic AI. The development of agentic AI requires a thoughtful and responsible approach. We explore the crucial research being done to ensure these systems are safe, transparent, and aligned with human interests. Explainability is key. We need to understand how these agents are making decisions so we can identify and correct potential problems. Governments and regulatory bodies are beginning to grapple with the implications of agentic AI, and establishing clear guidelines and ethical frameworks will be essential. Conclusion. Agentic AI represents a monumental leap in artificial intelligence. offering the potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. However, its development demands careful consideration, robust safeguards, and a commitment to ethical principles. The journey into the age of autonomous intelligence has begun, and the path we forge now will shape the future of our relationship with AI.